In this exercise, we have a rational expression, and we want to find all the numbers for which the expression is not defined. The expression is 11 over x minus 1, the quantity squared. Now, this will not be defined when the denominator is equal to 0, so we need to find the values of x for which the denominator, x minus 1, the quantity squared, is equal to 0. So we'll be solving this equation, and I can write this x minus 1, the quantity squared, as x minus 1 times x minus 1. That's equal to 0. And now I can use the principle of zero products. If this product is 0, then x minus 1 equals 0, or x minus 1 equals 0. And when I add 1 on both sides of each of these equations, I get x equals 1. So this tells me that there's exactly one value for which the expression is not defined. And the number for which it's not defined is this number that we found, the number 1.